Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it, and also follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. There will be putting one or two updates for you. So, stay updated by following the channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So guys, if you were following this channel consistently, especially the analysis that I did for you guys yesterday, I told you clearly that AUD USD will drop to a level of 0.65. You clearly can see it. Also, you can see it, market has dropped to a level of 0.65. You can see it, we are currently trading at a level of 0.65. I told you guys that where we get to a level of 0.65, 921, we should get there, which it has got. It has even broken below it. Also, I covered this analysis on the weekly, analysis that I did for you guys, that AUD USD will be dropping. Exactly what we predicted is what has happened. Market has eventually dropped. Now, with what we are seeing, I know a lot of people might be thinking this will be giving us a buy since market has, tapped our support level. Personally, I don't think a buy will come to this support level. I feel market is going to drop more. Reason is that, to trap a lot of traders. Now, take a look at this, right? Market is ranging within this level. If you take a look at this as our support level. Then here comes our resistance. This also our support. Then here comes our resistance. If you take a look at this also, it came to our support. The market came to this our resistance, which you can call this as a false breakout, which broke out, took out a lot of traders that were trying to sell from here. And now market has eventually dropped to this support, and a lot of traders would want to be buying because this is the support level. But with my analysis and with what I'm saying, I feel AUD USD will still drop a little bit. So a lot of traders that are buying, it will at least be able to hit their stop loss, take out their stop loss before AUD will start pushing up. So personally, I would advise you not to take a buy on AUD USD. In short, the sell is likely to happen. Now, have it in mind that the buy can actually come and happen. The buy on AUD USD is very much likely to play out. Have it at the back of your mind. But I would say it is 30%. The buy that will happen on AUD USD, I'm seeing it as a 30%. Why on the sell it is about 70%. So basically, there's higher chances that AUD USD is likely to drop more. So be careful when you are buying. Stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the comment section.